How to use papaya seeds for parasite control. Many people who travel to developing countries, eat raw or undercooked meats, are exposed to livestock or have poor hygiene, become infected with intestinal parasites. Intestinal parasites, such as tapeworms, attach themselves to the walls of your intestines and can cause irritation, nausea, pain and even seizures, according to the Mayo Clinic. Papaya seeds are often used as a natural treatment for intestinal parasites. Things you will need: meat cleaver, honey, spoon, glass. Cut the papaya open and scoop out the seeds. Crush the seeds with a meat cleaver. Mix 1 tablespoon of crushed papaya seeds with 1 tablespoon of honey. Eat the seed and honey mixture on an empty stomach each morning for 7 days. Chew the papaya seeds thoroughly before swallowing. Drink 1 glass of water after eating the papaya seeds. Drink several glasses of water throughout the day to help clear out your system. Allow 1 week to pass before ingesting any more papaya seeds. You can then repeat the treatment for 1 week.